Good morning. Microwave is a form of radiation. They can pass through things that would block ordinary radio waves. So, such as rain and fog. Micros can also be focused and sent in a narrow beam, making them very useful for transmitting radio messages over long distances. See, while ship navigation is on, they have a radar screen which uses microwave radiation to detect distant objects. Microwaves usually scan around in a circle and the echoes sent back produce an image on the screen. This is the very way the air traffic is also being controlled to uh, locate the air actually where it was. Microwave is used for that purpose. Best wishes.